can boast that the Transformation Connections are the #1 most seamless strand-by-strand system offered on the market today. Can you share with us why the Transformation Connections are so unique?
The Perfect Trust Transformation Connections are perfectly safe for the natural hair. There's no heat, no glue, and no adhesive, so the connection is going to be made directly to the hair. You can do a full installation of these in less than 2 hours. A maintenance of them takes approximately 45 minutes. You can do a full removal in less than 10 minutes. The connections are made in one seamless design. It's a 360-degree hair wrap around an aluminum alloy bead, so the metal will never touch the hair. We have 2 sizes available, small and medium. Smalls are approximately 0.3 centimeters, where medium are 0.35 and have about 30% more hair on them. For a full lengthening service, you're going to need 6 to 8 packs of hair. You'll choose that based on the density of your client's hair. And for a full volumizing treatment, you'll need 2 to 4 packs.